Fáilte Rash, welcome back. Agus fáilte gadi ceacht nua, welcome to a new lesson. This week on Seachtain Seo, we're going to look at how to say congratulations in Irish. So you can write it or say it to anyone you would like to wish congratulations to. So congratulations is cóhordas in Irish. Cóhordas. So cóhordas. Cóhordas. And then this is pronounced slightly different in the dialects. In Munster, they say cohordichus, so you might have heard cohordichus. And then this D in cohortus is often pronounced like a J or a G sound in connacht, so they'd say cohorgus. So cohorgus, cohortus, or cohordichus. However, you can pop this into Aberdash and you will be able to hear this in each of the different dialects. If you're writing, however, that's irrelevant. So cóhordas is congratulations. As Gaeilge in Irish. Now, if you would like to say congratulations to you in particular, then you would say cóhordas lat. Cóhordas lat. Cóhordas lat. Which is congratulations to you in particular. Lat comes from the preposition le, which literally means with in Irish. So lum is with me. Cóhordas lat, congratulations to you. Cóhordas leis, congratulations to him. Cóhordas lehi, congratulations to her. Cóhordas live is congratulations to you, plural. So you might use that one. So if you're saying congratulations to more than one person, you would use cóhordas live. And then cóhordas lo would be congratulations to them. Cóhordas lo. Agus sinné gon ceach seo, that's it for this little lesson. Gurv mil mahaga, thank you so much. Check out all the other lessons in this series on YouTube and subscribe to our free newsletter down below where you get free lessons every single week in Irish. Really little mini ones like this that are very easy to digest, and free workbooks for the kids as well if you have any páistí. Gurv mil mahaga the reach, thank you so much again. Agus slán go fóill, bye for now.